Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a repair on my laptop. It's a HP Envy X360, so it works as a tablet and so on. But the problem is that the fan inside, well, it's not inside it anymore. I took it out, but it's completely gone. It's completely gone. Um, I'll play a clip now of what it sounds like when the computer is on, which should sort of explain why we're changing it. Here is the replacement. So I've taken this laptop apart maybe 10 times already, so it should be a pretty straightforward process. So let me just go ahead and get to it, and I will cut back once that's done. Okay, so after struggling with that for a lot longer than I should have, uh, it's open. Um, so the fan goes right here underneath the heatsink, and I just need to make sure to align everything. So what I'm gonna need to remove is this tab right now, so I can work a bit more clearly. It's important not to lose this because this is the power button, so I wouldn't be able to turn on the computer without it. So the fan used to be installed because I took it off a while ago. Fan used to be like this because it connects in there. There's a screw here and a screw here. So what I'm going to do really quickly is move this out of the way and just put that under there so it doesn't roll back, and take out the screws. Now we have the new fan. So this fits underneath the heatsink sort of, so I'm gonna have to lift that and just make sure it all falls into place like so. As you can see, there's a plastic pillar here which we have to line up. So now that is in. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is fasten it into place so it doesn't move. Okay, that's in place. Now I'm going to remove the adhesive strip from the part holding the charger, I mean the power cable. I'm just going to fasten it to the fan, as was the case with the old one. And then I'm just gonna push the fans. Actually, I should insert the fan before I... Okay, so the video cut, but the fan is now inside and connected. So what I'm going to do real quick is just reassemble or just close the computer, and then I'm gonna make sure that, actually, you know what, before I close it, let's just make sure that everything works. Yep, so as you can see, the fan is now on, it's spinning. And it is not making that grinding noise from before. So I'm hopefully gonna take this as a sign that everything's working. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna power off the computer, I'm gonna close the case again, and I'm gonna check back. I'm gonna try the same test again to see if there's a noise when the case is closed. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I've just realized that the recording stopped and I was talking to myself for a while, but what I did was I reopened YouTube and CLion, and you can hear the fan is on, but that's how it should be when it's running something as intensive as CLion. So there's no noise that it shouldn't be making, it all works, and I would say that's a pretty fine job. Yeah, for now, that went a lot better than I thought it would, and I'm quite pleased. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time I do a stupid impromptu video on the second channel.